Hello, it's me again, your cameraman, Daniel Drewski, for this another update at that construction site video in the series. And right now they just chopped down some baby trees or weeds or something. Yep, right now it's about 8:35 in the morning, and it's still July 12, 2023. Let's hope they finish up the job so they can get the heck out of here. Yeah. And today is definitely going to be like a little bit warmer. Right now they're doing like the raking or something. Putting everything into the truck or something. Right now these men are probably having a conversation or something. I don't know. Probably they're taking a break. And look what they did to those baby trees or something. Maybe it'll grow back when we get some more rain. Maybe in the fall. The cricket season's almost coming, like having like a cricket sound at night. Doesn't come out till about like early mid-August. Well, there you have it, folks. That's your little update at the one on Laurel Boulevard with the cutting down these little baby trees. I'll see you again next time. I give you more updates, and please try to comment and subscribe to ring the bell if you like this video or not. Later, folks, and keep you posted.